Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare Deepseek, Grok, and VSCode. Deepseek, Grok, and VSCode each serve distinct purposes in the developer workflow. Deepseek is an AI-powered tool that helps developers quickly search and find relevant code within large code bases. It speeds up code exploration but focuses mainly on search rather than editing. It is ideal for developers working with complex or unfamiliar projects. Meanwhile, Grok is an AI assistant that explains and debugs code interactively within your development environment. It offers quick coding help and learning support on the fly. It is best suited for developers wanting AI-powered coding assistance without leaving their editor. On the other hand, VS Code is a popular, flexible code editor with many features and extensions for easy coding. It combines coding, debugging, and JIT tools into one customizable environment. It is perfect for developers seeking a reliable all-in-one editor. In my opinion, VS Code is best for general development. Deepseek and Grok excel in AI-driven code search and assistance. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.